Agoy, tara Mark, kabugi natin sila. What's up guys, welcome back to my vlog. Again, this is Mark Umida. Tapos, pupunta ako ngayon sa library ng Suwon. Bagong open guys, kaya why not, mapapahuli pa ba tayo? Siyempre, malapit lang sa atin yung lugar yan di. At tojo atoon, no? So karon ako'y kauban wa kabuok si Maricar og si Kuan, si Jik. Pinaka-gwapa sa adik ko. O, diba? So, mana siya guys, nakita ninyong pinaka-nice, parang sa Gangnam din ng ano, sa Starfield. So, ano pa hinihintayin nyo? Punta na kayo dyan. Huwag na kayong mag-save ng oras. Diba? May time kayo kasi baka mag-close na yan. Baka hindi na kayo o, diba? So, yun lang. Tapos, yun yung view ng front dyan. Kung gusto magbasa ng libro, basa-basa din kayo, syempre. Marami kayong matutunan dyan. Gusto yung kakain dyan, marami pagkain dyan sa gilid-gilid. Mura lang, no? Makakatipid kayo. And then, so, syempre kami nagugutom kami, nagkakape-kape muna kami doon sa Atusam place, guys. Maganda doon sa Suwon. Maraming mga brigya-diya. So, dayon, gikapoy naman may gusto mga kanta, guys. So, atong tryan. Sige, Mark. Go ahead, Mark. Kaya mo yan, Mark. Oh, kanta na. One Direction.
Ayaw kong hirap. Ang sakit ako.
One Direction.
Ba, ano ka una?
Mamaya na.
Baka na, mi?
Baby, it's the way she walks straight into my heart. So through the doors and past the cars. Just what you were ready on it. I said, can you give it back to me? She said, never in your wildest dreams. And we danced all night to the best song ever. We knew every line. Now I can't remember how it goes, but I know, but I won't forget her. 'Cause we danced all night to the best song ever. We go oh oh oh, and then we yeah, and then we go. Said her name was Georgia Rose, and her daddy was a dentist. Said I had a dirty mouth, I got a dirty mouth. She treats me like shit is. I said, can you take it home with me? She said, never in your wildest dreams. And we danced all night to the best song ever. We knew every line. Now I can't remember how it goes, but I know, but I won't forget her. 'Cause we danced all night to the best song ever. Oh, 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 I think we yeah, I think we'll go. You know, I know, you know.
Good evening, Suwon. Ayan, manguli ta guys. Uy, kapoy na ta. Uy, so, na po next time. Naigo na ko si ate. Sorry, ate. Bye, makoy imida. Ingat kayong lahat.